Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tomato juice. First, select the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find, ensuring they are free from any blemishes. Next, thoroughly wash your chosen tomatoes under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, prepare them by carefully removing the stems and cores before cutting them into manageable pieces for cooking. This initial preparation is key for a delicious end product. To begin, select only the best tomatoes, ensuring they are firm and fully red, without any green areas or soft spots. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to clean off any surface dirt. Next, carefully remove the stems and core each tomato using a sharp knife. Finally, cut your prepared tomatoes into quarters or smaller pieces. This helps them cook down more evenly. Now place your cut tomatoes into a large, non-reactive pot, like stainless steel. Bring them to a gentle simmer and cook until they are completely soft, which usually takes about 20 minutes. Once cooked, carefully press the tomatoes through a food mill or a fine mesh sieve to separate the smooth juice from the pulp and seeds. Finally, reheat this freshly extracted tomato juice to a simmer before canning. Before canning, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt per quart of juice for flavor, if you like. Carefully pour the hot juice into sterilized canning jars, making sure to leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Process these filled jars in a boiling water canner for 35 minutes to ensure proper sealing. Once cooled and sealed, store your delicious homemade tomato juice in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.